Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Guys, today we are making rice and we're making shrimp. And when I tell you we're getting ready to put this meal together, guys, we are getting ready to hook this meal up. So today what you'll need is butter, black pepper, Old Bay seasoning, Slap Your Mother, or any Cajun season. I'm sorry, it's called Slap Your Mama.
Yeah.
Parsley, red crushed peppers, and I have some
minced garlic.
Oh, I have minced garlic as well. I have some red onions and bell peppers. I have my shrimp. And I've already cooked my rice. So guys, what we're getting ready to do now, we're going to saute our onions and our bell peppers. We're going to do that with a little butter, or you can use olive oil. But I'm going to do mine with butter. And we'll take you guys over to the stove. So as you can see, we have our pan. And what we're going to do, we're going to put maybe a tablespoon of butter in here. Probably not even that much, but you know what? We're going to put a little butter in here because we just want to cook this. We just want to just get it soft so we can dump it in our rice. And y'all know me, I really try to move really fast, so yeah, don't do this if you're a beginner's cook. Please don't do this. I probably should have her to edit that out.
Cinnamon made my daughter burn her hands.
No, I did not make your daughter burn her hands. So guys, don't do what you just seen me do, in other words.
Kids, don't try this at home.
Please, kids, do not do what you just seen me do. That was so mean of me to even do that. Okay, so we got our onions and bell peppers in here. And guys, we just want these onions and bell peppers just to soften up a little bit, because we're going to dump this in our rice. Now if you want to cut yours up all cute and pretty, you're more than welcome to do that. But me, I'm going to dump mine just like this, because we're going to bring some flavor to that rice.
It's so cool. That's what I do when I'm cooking.
And this is exactly how Key makes her meals too, guys. So I have some white rice that I have already cooked.
Yeah, actually I cooked this, guys.
And y'all already know how to make rice. If you don't know how to make your rice fluffy, look at that. See that? It don't stick together. And if you guys want me to do a video on how to cook rice, I will show you guys. So right now, we just have our onions, and this is what you're going to have sitting on the top of this rice. You're not going to mix this in with the rice. It's just going to sit on top of the rice, okay? But if you chop yours up, then you can put it on the inside. But because a lot of my family members don't like onions and bell peppers as much as I do, I just sit mine on the top. So these onions are almost ready, guys, and bell peppers. And this is optional. You don't have to use this, but if you like flavor like I do, then use it. And the reason why we make rice instead of grits is because nobody in my family really likes grits.
No.
We were at a restaurant one time. My husband actually, he ordered it. He had it before, but this time he ordered it, guys. And he was eating around the shrimp, and I was like, never again. I'll just make rice. You don't have to do that. So as you can see, my onions, my bell peppers, let me pick one up. Let me see. Yeah, it still needs a little cooking. Might have to put a little more butter in here. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is all the cooking that we're going to do. And once you get ready to do your shrimp, if you want to, you can put them back in there. But for now, this is what I'm getting ready to do. So before I get them, before they burn, I'm going to take them out. And I'm just putting them in a container. Just put them in a container. Because like I said, these are going to go. It's going to go on our rice. Okay, so now I'm going to get my shrimp and I'll bring you guys back. Okay guys, so I have some more butter in the pan. And to this butter, we're going to add some minced garlic. I like a lot of garlic. You don't have to do this. So I'm going to add that much garlic. Okay? We're going to move this garlic around. Of course, I am not going to mess up my pan with no metal. Okay, so we have our minced garlic and we have our butter. And this is about 2 tablespoons of butter, and you can use olive oil in this as well. Extra virgin olive oil. Okay, so to this, we're going to add our shrimp. And you don't want to turn it up too high. So we're going to add in our shrimp. And sometimes my stove be it just seems like it be off balance. So what I do is I just put it where I see the most garlic. And I'm going to stir it around too, guys. And we all know that shrimp do not take long to cook. So we have to move pretty fast, okay? And I have the stove turned down low. We're going to wash our hands because we do not want to be walking around and our hands smelling like shrimp, and we don't want to contaminate anything. So to that, we're going to add in our Old Bay seasoning. I love the flavor of Old Bay. You don't have to use Old Bay. You can use a Cajun seasoning. Now we're going to add in our Slap Your Mama. Earlier I said Slap Your Mama.
I said mother.
Mother. Okay, as you can see, that's not a whole lot. We're going to add some garlic powder in here. We got minced garlic in here, but we're getting ready to add some powdered garlic. Okay, I probably didn't tell you guys that earlier, so remember garlic powder and minced garlic. So we're adding in our black pepper. Now we can turn it up a little bit. So now we're going to add in a little onion powder.
Did you just almost fall off?
Just a little onion powder. And then last but not least, yeah, we going in with the red crushed peppers. And if you don't like spice, please do not use this. As I'm still pouring, don't use this. Okay, and we're gonna add a little bit, guys. We're gonna add a little bit of paprika. I'm sorry. So if you watch the video in its entirety, then you'll know what you need. Okay, so we're going to stir this in. Now we can turn it up. I thought we had. So guys, we're stirring this around. And all this good flavor right here, yeah, this gonna go on that rice.
You like my singing?
So, we're going to add a little chicken broth in here. Do not go overboard because we're going to put some chicken broth in our rice as well. But this is going to make it like just a little gravy. See, now don't go overboard. You seen how much I put in there. Did I put a lot? No, I did not. You better not put a lot either. Okay, so we're going to let that sit. And to be honest with you, you can actually turn it off, because guess what? your shrimp, yeah, they ready. As they say, she ready? Yeah, she ready. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to turn the top off. We're going to turn this stove off, and we're getting ready to go and hook up this rice. So I'll bring you guys back in a sec. Okay, guys, look at how sad this rice looks. It looks so sad. Just look at it. It's really sad. It's breaking my heart. But you know what? It's not gonna break my heart for too long. Because guess what? Rice, I have something for you. You're gonna love it. So I'm gonna turn the stove on. Okay, to this sad looking rice.
It looks like nice rice to me.
It looks really, really sad. Guys, we're gonna go in this rice with some chicken broth.
How much was some? A cup?
Very little. Probably not even a half. Probably about a half a cup though, or less than that. Okay. So this sad rice. We're gonna go in with our Goya, and we're gonna kick that flavor up. So what we're going to add the chicken and tomato flavored Goya. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Because this rice was really, really sad. So we're going to mix that in. It was crying. It really was. I was like, rice, I got something for you.
Is that what you said?
Yes, I was like, rice, stop crying. I have something for you. So we're going to use the entire packet. Okay? Y'all got that?
Mm-hmm.
The entire packet. So you can use chicken. You can use, they have it in different flavors. So to this rice, because I love this rice and I want it to be happy, we're adding cheese. Now, you can add whatever kind of cheese you want to add. With me, I use the same cheese I use for my nachos. So this is the cheese that I use. You can use cheddar cheese. You can use whatever you like. We're not going to get carried away with the cheese, guys. Okay, we're going to mix that in. And if you are a person that really, really likes a lot of flavor, you do not have to do this. You really, really don't. You can add you some more seasoning, but trust me, the seasoning that I already have in here, it is more than enough. So what we're going to do
is let Key try it.
Oh my goodness. We're gonna let Key try this, guys. She always want to try something. She's not getting that much. We're gonna give her very little.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
That
So
was delicious.
if you want to add more, if you want to add more cheese into this, you can. I'm not going to add more cheese in here, but what I am going to do, I'm going to put my plate together. That's what I'm gonna do.
Yeah. So
what I like to do, of course, if this was going to be, if we were having guests over, imagine this being a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful serving dish. Okay. Nope, I'm not getting ready to transfer it, guys. So we have our rice, smooth it down. Y'all want to make it look all pretty and stuff. So y'all remember those onions that we had earlier?
Oh my gosh.
we're going to add these beautiful onions on the top of this rice. Y'all, she doing the music behind it. She got a problem, y'all. So we're gonna add our onions. Of course, yours will probably look better than mine. And this in case you have like a lot of picky people that
you put too many onions on that.
So this is why you make them so big. So if they don't want onions, you don't have to hear nobody's mouth. And as you can see, I'm speaking from experience because yes, Key and Cam, they're extra.
I'm not a picky eater.
So with that, guys, we're going to add our shrimp. You can actually do it like what I'm getting ready to do. We're gonna add our shrimp to the top of this. And because everybody is not eating, I think he is dealing with acid reflux, so
I'm just gonna have to deal with it for this meal.
she's gotta just deal with it, guys.
I got some Pepsi.
And guess what? Once you have put all the shrimp in here, you have all of this beautiful gravy. I'll sit it down so you can capture it. You have all this gravy with all that onion and garlic and everything, and you can actually pour this over their food. So what I'm getting ready to do, I'm going to make a plate, and I'll bring you guys back. So guys, as you can see, I have my shrimp, my bell peppers, and my onions. And y'all know I told y'all about that good sauce. So now we're going to drizzle this sauce.
Oh yeah.
And if he wants some more, he can get some more. This is actually for my husband. He's on live right now. So we're going to move that out the way. And y'all already know I'm going in with
Ooh, ASMR. Why you want to get on my ASMR channel?
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out this delicious shrimp with rice. And I'll see you guys in the next video. But wait a minute, before I go, don't forget to check out my family's channel. Those channels will be in the description box below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!